Good afternoon. We are in North Yarmouth. Two contractors working in the basement of one of these homes. Let me step out of the way so you can see here. In North Yarmouth, overcome by carbon monoxide fumes about 10:30 this morning. The fire chief says that they were in the basement. They were using a gas-powered trowel. That's a piece of equipment that's used to finish a cement floor. They were overcome by those fumes. The fire chief says when they got here about 10:30, one of the contractors was coming out of the house complaining of a headache, but there was another contractor down in the basement. He was semi-conscious, the chief telling me. Both men taken to Maine Medical Center to be treated for this. This is the Meadowbrook development. It's off Memorial Highway in North Yarmouth. It's a brand new road that they just put in called Rangeway Lane. Now the fire chief says the men were working in that basement area, again with a gas-powered piece of equipment with no ventilation. OSHA has been called to come in to investigate as this is a workplace injury. We'll have much more coming up on this online and beginning at 4 tonight. But for now, we're in North Yarmouth. Jim Keithley, WMTW News 8.